Hi, Steve here from Gear Unboxed again. Thank you for looking at our channel. Thank you for looking at this video. As some of you may have already have noticed, winter is coming, to use those infamous words. It's getting colder, and the last thing you want is cold, wet hands when you're on a motorbike. So, I've got 3 winter gloves here, different prices, which I'm going to run through for you, and then at the end of this video, give you my recommendation. First of all, we've got the Oxford Montreal, which is something I reviewed in a previous video. If you missed that, please go back and have a look at that. You might find that interesting. Some other gloves in there as well. We've got the Richa GTX, which is a variation on the one we did before, and also the Klim Vanguard long glove. So without much ado, let's start with the Oxford Montreal. This Oxford Montreal glove, it has 3M Thinsulate. It also has something called dry to dry waterproof, which I think is equivalent or attempt to get the same effect as the Gore-Tex, which we've spoken about before. It traps heat, it's breathable, as with the dual gloves. They've got the wiper on the index finger for when it's raining, because we know it piddles down in winter here. It also has level 1 knuckle protection. Not all of the gloves I'm going to show you today have got level 1 knuckle protection, would you believe? The knuckle protection, as I said before, is quite hard, it's quite substantial. In terms of comfort, it's a very comfortable glove. It's got the curvature on the gloves with the concertina effect just here. This is the base of the fingers, which is good. You've got bit of extra reinforcement on the palm here and also running along the left finger. It's very comfortable, it's quite long. I've had my hands in here for a little while before and it's getting warm, which is what you want. If you're really going down to serious sub-zero temperatures, then you really need to heated grips, but that would be a subject to another video. So that's the Oxford Montreal. It's a good glove, around about £49 retail. It's a good entry glove, you won't go wrong with that one. Second one is the Richa GTX. This has level 1 protection, but it says not knuckle protection. So just level 1 protection. Now the knuckles themselves on here do have some protection on here. It feels more like a D30 type of protection, but it still only carries level 1 protection without knuckle protection on the label. So assuming that's right is something to bear in mind. It has Gore-Tex and Gore-Tex insert. It's breathable, waterproof and windproof. It's constructed as something called super fabric, which enables it to breathe through the edges, through the armour where the armour plates are. It's actually, in my honest opinion, of the 3, this is the most comfortable glove by quite a long way. The only criticism I'd say is that you can obviously tighten round the wrist, but it doesn't have a draw strap, which is, something you might want. But really comfortable glove, it feels substantial, it feels warm, got the wiper blade again. These come in at around about £120 retail. That's the Richa GTX. Good glove, but doesn't have a level 1 knuckle protection rating on it, which I'm kind of surprised actually. If I find that that's been mislabeled, I will make an addendum into the comments. Alright, the third and final one is the Klim. Now we've reviewed Klim gloves before. This is the Klim Vanguard long glove. It's got 3M Thinsulate. It's got, as before, mentioned before, it's got Scotch-Lite reflective strips on it, which is good. I've said before, I don't be boring, but I like to be seen. Observations are important when you're on a motorbike, that's for certain. Without them, you're going to be in trouble. I nearly was last week. But anything you can do to help make yourself seen has got to be a good thing. It's Scotch-Lite reflective, as I said. It also has something which is called Poron XD armour. I believe this is equivalent to the D30 armour, that type of effect, certainly on the knuckles. It does have level 1 knuckle protection cover on the label. I'm surprised the Richa didn't, but that might be wrong. It's Scotch guarded for cleaning, it's breathable and it's waterproof. It's a good glove. It doesn't feel as warm as the Richa one and probably even the Oxford one, but that will be subject to a test. you've got like an elasticated area here which will go around your wrist. Pull on loop as well, which is handy. It's got good armour all the way around. Got this on the base here, base of the hand. You've got good concertina. I would say it's a good glove. It's probably not as, doesn't feel as though it'll be as warm as the Risha one, or indeed the Oxford one. It's a comfortable glove. I can't go away from that. It's got the concertina effect on it again. It's got the protection there. This comes in about £150. So which one would I go for? Well, I mean, the simple fact of the matter is these days money's tight. Money's tight for everyone. So if you want a good entry-level glove, price, cost is really important, then I wouldn't hesitate to recommend the Oxford Montreal. Out of these two, the Risha and the Klim, personally I'd go for the Risha one. It's more comfortable, and you know, comfort when you're taking a long drive, comfort on your hands, etc. You know, it's really quite important. So yeah, those are the three gloves. I personally recommend the Risha for the price. If you're a Klim fanatic, then by all means go for the Klim. It's also a good glove. But of the three, for the price, for me, the Risha is the best one. As I said, the entry level, nothing wrong with that one at all. So that's it for now. I will say that gloves are not the sort of thing you want to buy online. You need to go and have a look at the huge variety that you find in distributors' bike company, which you'll see below. Get some advice from these people. From your distributor, because they will know what works. They'll be able to assess your riding, the sort of level of riding you're doing, and they'll make the recommendation. You know, they're happy to help you. They always have been. So that's it from us. I say thank you for watching. I very much appreciate, as we don't get any sponsorship for this channel. If you could hit the notification, like and subscribe, it really does help us a lot. Thank you very much. We'll see you again soon. Bye.